demonstration kit that we just announced today. So this is the Freescale FSLBOT. We actually just announced it today. This is actually a development kit that you can buy from our website right now. And then this here is actually a base robot that's been upgraded with a Chumby head. So I'll just demonstrate this upgrade here. So to get started, this is one of my favorite quotes. One of my primary responsibilities for Freescale is actually training. So I do hands-on training around the United States. And what I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. And what I do, I understand. I'm a very big proponent of hands-on training and getting people actually involved, feely, touchy, and so on. And with sensors, even more. So we developed this kit as a sensor trainer. It's something that you can do. You can do the labs at home if you'd like, or you can do it. We have classes going on around the United States. And the whole purpose of the kit is to demonstrate our accelerometers, to educate on mechatronics, and to get people involved in electronics and robotics. The kit's $199.
I'm fine. It's a busy day, but we're doing good. And Keith's going to come over to the show where I'm at later today. He'll be coming over here with some of the people he works with, so that'll be good too.
The board itself is actually upgradable with other sensors that you can add.
So I'm going to let you go, but I just wanted to check on you. But she should be there just any minute.
And it comes with its own toolkit.
Okay, bye-bye.
The board that's on the robot, it's got a 32-bit processor on the board. You can actually buy the board itself for $99. And the board itself will actually control up to 8 servos. And again, it's plug-in sensors, so on and so forth. And it also plugs into our TWR-MECH system, which you'll see around here. So you can actually plug this card into other boards and control, bigger processor, other sensors, all the stuff that they're talking about over here with other TWR-MECH boards. So again, one of the key features of this product is the toolkit. So, a lot of times you get into robotics and run into the problem of you have to be a software expert. So in this case, one of the things we found during these trainings is, again, we wanted to demonstrate and educate on the sensors. Classes aren't geared towards being a C programming class. So I developed a computer programming language called Robot C. It's similar to BASIC. As a matter of fact, I'm a little nostalgic. I used to program, of course, I learned to program on Apple IIs and Commodore 64s. So I actually developed the language to look a lot like Apple II BASIC or Commodore 64 BASIC. So if you've ever programmed on one of those machines, you'll feel right at home with this particular language. It's all free, it's open source, you can change it, modify it if you want. So that's the beginner's level, and then at the intermediate level, we of course have our CodeWarrior C and C++ products, which I think are right over there. So just a quick overview of Robot C and the Robot Vision Toolkit. Again, completely free. You can download it off the Freescale website or off my website. Robot C is the language in the middle, and then it's surrounded. Again, the reason it's called Robot C is it was originally designed, one of my expertise is computer and machine vision. That's sort of my specialty. So I originally designed Robot C so that people could use advanced computer vision libraries using a simple language. So, and then it just expanded. So you could add joystick, speech recognition, sound, all kinds of cool things to your robot. Robot C, my tagline for that is it's as easy as BASIC with the power of C. Very easy to use. As a matter of fact, it's so easy to use, my 10-year-old at home uses it. This is an example. It comes with a full IDE, full debugger and everything. Example code. And then this is the CodeWarrior C++ package, which you can find out more about over there. And this is sort of a summary slide of the board and the tools that are with it. We're creating all kinds of example content for this. There's multiple web pages and multiple communities up about this. We're really interested in getting everyone involved. Recently, the Boy Scouts of America announced a robotics merit badge. We're trying to get this into that. It's the perfect application for that. And everything from junior high up through college level and beyond. Now, once you get up into the college level, this is where things get really interesting. What you can do with the robots, over here is the base robot. What you can do with the robot is you can actually add a full up and embedded Linux computer. So around the corner over here, we have the IMX53 Quick Start board, which is a 3-inch by 3-inch embedded Linux computer. What you can do is you can actually add that on top of the robot, and now you have the power of a 1 gigahertz embedded Linux machine with a gig of RAM running the robot. You can do things like full-up computer vision. I've ported OpenCV. I've ported Robot C to this, so even if you don't know anything about Linux, you can go ahead and write your applications for this, and they all run right on the robot. Now, there's a bunch of information around here about this board, so I'm just going to fly through that slide real quick. And this is a summary, basically, of the robot platform before I do the demos. It's educational, scalable, and expandable. And then, to make things even more exciting, at FTF this year, which is our Freescale Technology Forum, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give away 100 of these robots, this one right here, and we're going to give it away to 100 people who either sign up for a class or sign up at FTF and then go to an online, sign up online. We're going to give 100 of these robots away, and then Vex Robotics, which is a robotics, you can think of it as an adult director set. Okay, it's like a robotics director set. I showed them this about a month ago. They were so excited they actually donated a bunch of Vex Robotics kits. So we're going to have 100 engineers, all with robots, with an easy-to-use programming language, with adult director sets. Just having a great time. And there's going to be adult beverages, of course. So we're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a great time. And this is just sort of the thing. And then, on top of that, that's right, there's actually prizes too. So there's a judge, we have a panel of judges. First prize is actually a whole Freescale Motorsports weekend, which is pretty cool. And then there's cash prizes as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the demo. Okay, so this is Robot C. I put up the IDE. And what I can do here is I can go ahead and I've already opened the program, so I'm going to go ahead and run it. And this is just, again, something real easy. What I have is I have them set up as labs. So I've got up to 8 labs right now. So this is one of the easiest labs, and you can see what it does. It's just like a little digital level. So the LED just sort of, that's right. Got it. It's doing something special here. Let me. Let's see if you can hear this.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
So when the robot tips over too far.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
So again, this is a very simple little program here, all done in Robot C. You can see it uses prints, sound, real easy to do. And then let's go to the more advanced, the next step. Oh, no, actually, we got one more demo on this. So let's go ahead and open up Lab 8. Okay, so I said Robot C. Okay, so I said Robot C can be quite powerful. So here again, using the same programming language, we're going to go ahead and enable. I've got OpenCV ported. Come on, you just worked. So I've got OpenCV ported to this, and again, you can actually use OpenCV from a basic programming language. So using Robot C, you can actually do things like face detection. So what he's doing now is he's tracking my face. And you get some cool sound. So again, in this case, Robot C is actually running on my PC here. But if you've got the Quick Start board, the IMX53 Quick Start board, all this runs completely on a Robot standard. So what I did is this robot actually came out before the Quick Start board did. So I've got Robot C ported to this Chumby. So I'm going to do a demo on the Chumby. going to come up, and it's going to look like... Okay. So the Chumby, and again, all the software I've got in the Chumby is all open source. It's all up on the web pages that I listed above. He's going to come up as a Wi-Fi hotspot. I'm going to go ahead and connect to him. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to him, and let's see. On its face, he actually tells me his IP address, 10.0.50.1. Oh, wait, it didn't connect. Connect? Come on, baby, connect. Well, this is how it always works. Whenever you're doing a demo in the hotel room, it works perfectly. As soon as you come down here, it stops working. Well, I tell you what, if it doesn't connect for some reason, I'll have it up and running on the front here. Is not connected. My apologies, I don't know why. I will get them up and running. There are videos of this up and running up on YouTube. Actually, he went viral. There's like 22,000 hits on the one. And what he does is he'll walk and use the accelerometer in the jump. So I'll get him up and running over here. Again, it's not connecting to the... I don't know why. Chumby's mad. I wonder if someone else is connected. Let me try booting him up. Someone else may have connected to him. I've got him set up because at another show, someone else connected to him and didn't, because it pops up a web page and you can control the wall. Someone else connected to him and he almost did a header off a table. So I have it set up so it only accepts one connection now. Chumby. There's also a video, I didn't bring the robot because I didn't have the room. There's also a video of the same concept with the IMX53 Quick Start board on it up on the website. And examples and everything you need to build. It's not going on, sorry folks. I'll get them up and running over here in a couple of minutes.